Welcome to the walkthrough video tour of 3635 Millbridge Way in Kingwood. This gorgeous home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms in the quiet Mills Branch Village subdivision, with all the Kingwood amenities only minutes away. You can enjoy the best of this master plan community in this gorgeous home. The agent listing the home is offering, if you buy this home, they'll buy yours. Spacious rooms and numerous updates. Notice the flooring. There's a recent HVAC as of 2018. The gutters and the windows were replaced in 2017 and the roof in 2015. Updated and remodeled. You'll enjoy the beautiful engineered flooring as of 2021. This home is a showplace. Look at the family room with a fireplace. Lots of gorgeous space for the entire family. And this home is generator ready with a new 50-amp breaker box installed. A gorgeous breakfast nook overlooking the backyard makes it so peaceful. Craft-made hard maple cabinetry with soft closing cabinets and drawers and silestone countertops with updated appliances. The kitchen was remodeled in 2015. This is truly the heart of the home, with so much loving care put into every detail. In a master plan community, this move-in ready home is stylish, contemporary, and has so many amenities. With a built-in workstation just by the utility room, you're going to get so much done. The primary bedroom is breathtaking, and so is the ensuite, with a large shower. Room enough for 2 double shower heads. Gorgeous tile and a large walk-in closet awaits you. You deserve a space like this. A place to relax and call your own with all of this square footage. Beautiful countertops in each of you, your own area to get ready or relax. There's numerous updates in this home, and it's so unbelievably peaceful, with a neutral paint palette that welcomes any style right through the doors. The carpeted staircase takes you to an amazing game room and additional bedrooms for the kids, friends, or family members. What would you do with this great space? Overlooking a grand yard. Friends and family and laughter abound. Fall in love with the inside and outside of this gorgeous home in Kingwood. In a peaceful, quiet neighborhood with a fully fenced-in backyard, pine trees all around, a covered patio. Isn't this nice? All of this could be yours. Contact the listing agent and come be the first to make an offer on this home.